guys, today we're going to be doing another puppet video, but this time I'm only going to show a few of my fidgets that I brought with me. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of my puppets and some of my fidgets. Okay, first fidget is this flower puppet, and it has a great pop. And it's a flower puppet. It's a mini flower heart puppet, and it has a great pop on it. Next, I have these two monkey noodles. Well, I have more monkey noodles, but I only broke out these two. And this one's purple, and it's very stretchy. As you can see, stretchy. And so is this one. This one's orange, different color. I also have another orange one. This one looks like a lot red, but it also looks orange. So I'm gonna say it's orange, but you can say it's red too. This one's a green one, but this one's different than three. I also have this puppet. This one's a flower puppet, which is great too. Has a great pop. See? Great pop. This one also has flowers on it, on the very back of it. See? Hearts. Okay. Next, I have this marble mash. And this one can also bend, oh my god, like that. Oh my god. Okay. And this one can bend, as you can see. It can bend like that, and you can just play with it like that, and like this. And I also have this one. This French fry one also has a good pop too. Like most of all my fidgets have a good pop. Yeah, and it has French fry things on it. See? And it has a, yeah, so this is a great one. I have the spinner dimple. And you can also pop it. It does have a great pop. See? Yes, it has a great pop. And next one is this one. This one I already have been popping. And this one has a great pop on the good side and bad side. Front side and back side. And let me just set them out so you can see all of them that I've pulled out right now. And I have pulled out that, and I still have a lot to go. Next I have this pop tube. This one's a big one. Okay, so yeah, another one. I have this squishy donut. This one's very pretty. It's a rising squishy, and yeah. Next one, this little pop tube is littler than that big pop tube. As you can see, it's littler. And oh my god. I also have this one. I had to put you down so I can straighten it. But I also have this one. This one can bend. I forgot what these were called, so comment down below what these were called. I forgot their name. This is a wacky track. I about called this a wacky track, but this is a wacky track. So it's nothing compare to this. This is a wacky track. This is, I forgot the name of it. I also have two more orange ones. I feel like these are orange. And I feel like this one's red. I don't know. I think it's orange. It kind of looks like orange. Now, this one is red. And it's the same one as this teal one. I also have this infinity cube that is, like, space. So, and it works very well. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna pick this dimple. See, this one also has a good pop, and it's a 3-sided dimple, and this is a 1-sided. Okay, we're gonna get into this big poppet. So I also have this big poppet, and it's a very good pop. And I'm gonna put that one over there. I also have this other one. This one's a dice game. But I'm only gonna pop like these 3 on the side because I hate when I pop like all of them. And this makes a good sound too. Forgot to show you. So yeah, and that one's gonna go over here. Wait, side by side. Let me back up a little bit so you can see what puppets I've laid out. I have this unicorn notebook that I use sometimes. I'm not going to show you what's in it because it's, of course, mine, and I keep all my stuff, important stuff in it. But this is for school. Sometimes I use it for school. As you can see, I have all my timetables. So yeah. And I also have this rising squishy. It's a cupcake. Not a cupcake, it's a cake. Ice cream cake. I could say it's an ice cream cake, but I don't think. Yeah, it's an ice cream cake. And it's a rising squishy. So yeah, I'm gonna put that right here. That's all of them I have right now. And I have some more in here. Like, I have a lot. This big unicorn, I'm going to pop the bottom. It also has a good sound. Like the other ones. See? And then pop the good side. Okay. And so that one's that one. I gotta, like, this one's also the rising squishy, and it's an ice cream one. It's a rising squishy too. This one's also the same one as this one. I showed you how it rises. It doesn't rise that good. It's like a fast rising one. I also have this other pop tube like that one. I showed you how to do it. And I also have this blue monkey noodle, different from the other ones. I also have this squishy banana that stretches really bad, like really far. This one's a poppet purse. Also feels really good, and it looks weird inside. Doesn't look weird inside. See all the bubbles. But yeah, that's all the bubbles. This one is cute too. It's a pineapple one, but one of my little sisters broke it. So, also this pop tube. It's little like the other one. Another 3-sided dimple. It's the same as this one over here. Just far away. This one's an infinity cube like this one, but this one's pink. This one is a pencil pouch. This one's a pencil pouch that goes with the notebook. This is a Among Us puppet that pops really well too. This is a dimple that is space dimple. This is a wacky track, another wacky track. Another infinity cube, or the infinity cube, but that one's like, I don't know. Explain it. That's a yellow one of the monkey noodles, and I have one of these. Well, I have 2 of these, of course. A pea popper. See, pea popper. A pea popper. I have 2 monkey noodles, yellow, green, and this blurry pop tube, but it's baby blue. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what's in the side pockets. Another baby blue pop tube, and another wacky track that's probably the same color. Yeah. You know. Okay. Then these 2 poppets. This hamburger poppet that goes with the french fry. Yum yum. This poppet that goes with that big poppet over there. It's like a little one compared to it. This little poppet. Oh my god. Okay. This little one. This is also a little one, but this one's a bigger one, and this one's cute. Goes with the pea popper. The pea popper blends in with the grass. I have this stretch ball that works really good. And I have this mochi. Also have this infinity cube that is cute also. But this is a different infinity cube compared to all the others. This is a baby blue pop tube. Again. And that is about it. So that's all of them that are in the yard that I have right here. That's it. Bye everyone. Hope you have a good day.